is Abigail Smith.
And I'm Emma Smith.
We are working on a project, shooting stars. Our goal of this project is to use motors and LEDs to make a shooting star. We wanted a light that moved across cardboard, even though we couldn't do that without showing a bunch of wires.
Design. We wanted to make a shooting star that shot across the cardboard.
Build. In order to make a project, you need to build it. It took us a while to build the project. We used a popsicle stick. Sorry, it says popsicle. 3 LEDs, a Raspberry Pi, cardboard, and hot glue.
We needed to make the motor move, and there was only one way to do it. Programming. Some people call it coding, though. We programmed our code to make a motor move and lights turn on with the press of a button.
To make sure your program works, you have to test it. We test our project a lot. Once our project started smoking, we fixed that by checking the cables. It was embarrassing. Rethink. If I had more time, I would make the shooting star a beautiful light that glides across cardboard. Now that we
finished our project, we can play with it. This is everybody's favorite part, including us.
Goodbye.
I hope you like your project. Sorry the shooting star doesn't glow.
So we can have you two come over here to your project. So all you have to do is plug in this wire here again, okay?
So if you're a child and you're not, and this isn't your presentation, this is. Over here you get.
I like these.
Anthony.
I can help it.
You want to make sure.
The tricky is the fabology.
Okay, I was gonna turn on right now.
Look at that Raspberry Pi.
You don't need the HDMI. So it's turning on right now.
Yep.
Do you two remember how we start our code?
By
Yep.
pressing the button.
Yep. Let's try it out.
Yes.
We're really sorry the shooting star doesn't glow. But I don't think there's such thing as glow in the dark paper.
Let's try it one more time.
Let's go into the cramp.
Cool. Could we get a round of applause for Emma and Abigail?